Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about some awesome backyard kitchen ideas. Whether you enjoy grilling, eating outside or just hanging out in your yard, we have got some great ideas to share with you. So let's start our video. Before we jump into the ideas, let's talk about why having a backyard kitchen is a good idea. It's all about making things easy, enjoying the outdoors and having a fun space for get-togethers. If you are new to the idea of an outdoor kitchen, don't worry. You can start with the basic steps might include a grill, a place to prepare food and a spot to eat. It's practical and budget friendly way to enjoy outdoor cooking. For those who love grillings, thinks about a bullet in grilling station. These can be small grill islands or complete outdoor kitchens with all the cooking gadgets you want. It's all about how much you love grilling. Outdoor bars are a fun addition to your backyard kitchen. They are great for serving drinks and making your yard a social place. You can make your bar look cool, different materials like stone, wood, or even old pallets. To enjoy your outdoor kitchen all years long, consider a cozy fire pit areas. It's not just for roasting, it's great spot to people to hang out at comfy seats and you are all set. Don't forget about outdoor kitchen lighting. It's add a special touch to your space and keeps thinking safe when it gets dark. You can use string lights, LED strips or bullet in lights. If you care about the environment, check out eco-friendly outdoor kitchen ideas. You can use recycled materials, choose energy saving appliances and plants native flowers and bushes to make your outdoor kitchen comfy in all kinds of weathers. Think about having some cover. This could be a pergola and awarening that you can pull in or a big umbrella to keep the sun or rain away. And there you have it, some great backyard kitchen idea to make your outdoor cookings dreams comes true. Whether you want something simple or a full outdoor kitchen, you have plenty of options. If you like these ideas, please give our video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on outdoor living and home improvements.